You.
Woo! All right, everybody, we're here in West Virginia. We're in Bluefield, West Virginia. We gotta do a little day of trail riding. I'm on the KTM 150, baby. We got Tyler on his KX 250 and then Pops on his brand new first ride on it, Beta 480. I don't know anything about those bikes, but it looks pretty sick. Looks like we made it to the trailhead. So we're just down here for the day. Whoop. We got in me and Tyler got in last night at about 2 a.m. My dad and his buddy got to the motel at about 12 probably. And woke up this morning, gonna ride, and then probably head home today. Oh, we got a little opening? Yeah, you're good. You're recording. Oh, here we go. How do you like it?
I like it.
Oh yeah, this thing is running good right now. This thing is light as a feather. It feels like you're riding a mountain bike on this thing. Seriously, the lightest blip of the throttle over a little hill, you'll catch some air. So much fun. Whoa, could not see that for a second. That was sketchy. Oh yeah, I remember this spot. I remember this spot from last year. Just a little hill climb. Yes, sir. Look, we got a little graveyard. A little cemetery.
Look at that burn.
All right, here we go. That way or that way? Well, here we go. I made it. Going back down the sketchy part. This side is harder than that one. This one has a lot more. Yeah, you are. It's blinking. The side that I went up has is a lot less rocky. You might want to try to spin her around when you get a chance or something. Let's get it. So we finally found this connector trail, and we're gonna try to take the connector trail to another set of trails, a whole new set that we haven't hit before. Already got one good hill climb in though, that was fun. Woo! When that power band kicks in, you better be ready on the KTM 2-stroke. These trails are so fun.